Namaste. Subject Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Entrance Exam Section 2 Mathematics. 250 self-study problems on mathematics. Problem number 47. How many times 13 is to be subtracted from 276 to get 185? So option A 7 times, option B 13 times, option C 11 times, option D 91 times. Answer for this: 276 minus, because subtracted, minus 13 into x. X is times. We'll get how much? 185. So 276 minus 185 equal to 13x. Next, 276 minus 185. So that is 6 minus 5 is 1. 17 minus 8 is 9. Then 1 minus 1, okay, equal to 13x. Then x equal to 91 divided by 13. So x equal to 13 sevens. 13 sevens. Okay, 91. 13 sevens, 91. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, so that is 7 times. Okay, thank you so much.